Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw the awesome looking dark bomber skin in Fortnite. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this, and to begin we're going to draw in her eyes first. So we're just going to start out the top lid, so we're just going to draw a little line like that, dipping down. So that's going to be the top of the eyelids. Okay, and then from there we're going to go from this corner, just going to come down and just kind of flatten it out, go back to the corner. Okay, so come out, just kind of turn it up. Alright, and then from there we're going to draw in the eyeball, which is a little bit creepy on her. So draw one circle inside. And then in the middle, I'm just gonna shade it in. It's got nice creepy eyes. Alright, and then from there we can draw in, before we draw in the eyebrows, I need to draw in the hair first. So let's just keep moving down. So we're gonna draw her nose, so just come down the corner here. From the corner of the eye, just come down, you can make two marks like that. And then we'll just connect it with a slight curve. So that's gonna be her nose, nice and simple. And then we're going to come down for her lips, so we're going to draw one line across first. And then for the lower lip, we're going to draw one line like that. And then we'll just connect to the corners. It's getting a little bit small for my Sharpie here. Okay, and then for the top lip, I'm going to draw a smaller line right on top of it. And then from those corners, just connect that. And then once we have the features, now you can draw in the face. So on the side here, okay, from the corner of the eye, just kind of draw a line slanting in all the way down to where her mouth is. And then once you get to here, we can just kind of turn it in a little bit more. And then just close off the bottom for his chin. Alright, so the face shape is a little bit harder to draw. Alright, so now let's go up, and for this one, let's draw in this eyebrow first. So right above the eye, you can draw one line like that first, and then just kind of turn it down. And then from the corner here, we're going to go up. We're just giving it a little bit of thickness there. And come back down. We can't draw this one because there's a hair strand on the top here. So we're going to come up from the corner of the eye, just kind of come up right around there. And then we're going to draw one big strand right over the eye. Okay, and then from this corner, I'm going to go out. It's got one big strand of hair right there. And then now we can draw in the eyebrow. Okay, so from here, right above the eye, and then just kind of give it a little bar. Alright, and then from here we can draw in, let's draw in her glasses. So this one's a little bit tricky too. So just right in the middle, just go up. And then we just kind of draw one big curve kind of around the width of the face here. And then from the middle here, you can make two little marks. And just draw in one curve like that, and another one for the other side of the glasses. And then in the middle, just draw in a little curve, just kind of connecting that. Alright, and then now we can finish up everything by connecting the hair. So on the corner here, I'm just going to draw one line, so that's going to be in the side of the hair. Just continue up. And then we're just gonna go around. Okay, you can stop there first because I want to draw one more strand right here. So right on the glasses here, I'm gonna extend it out. And then we'll go back up here. Just curve it and draw a little strand there. And then now we can continue this curve, go all the way down, right to the side of the face, but behind that strand. And it looks like a little bit of space here, so I'm just gonna connect everything. All right, and then once we have this, then we can just draw in some lines like this for the hair. All right, and then for the ear, so right on the corner, the eye just come out. Draw one little curve, and then this side is gonna be under the behind the strand, so we'll just see that. And then lastly, she's got those crazy marks on the eye, so I'm just gonna draw 3. So in the middle of the eye, I'm just gonna come down. I'll try to make it real light. So 1, and then off to the side, I'm just gonna draw 2 more. And then from the we have to draw in the top part, so I'm just gonna draw 1 in the middle, and again to the side, just 1 more. Okay, so middle of the eye, same thing here, come down. Then the 2 on this side is a little bit shorter. Okay, so continue up. 2 more. All right, so nice and yeah, nice and creepy. All right, so let's move on to the body. So for her neck, just gonna come down, straight down. Just draw a round shape for the collar. So the body is pretty much the same as the other Fortnite bombers. Okay, so come out for the shoulders. Come down straight. Okay, this is gonna be your armpit. And then we're gonna curve this down into a waist. Okay, so this is the waist, and then we're gonna curve back out down to her hip, and then we're just gonna close this off for a belt. And then let's just continue this line here, same curvature, and let's just finish up the belt first. So I'm just gonna close that off. And then for the belt buckle, this is easy, just 2 lines. Just a little bit of detail in there, pretty much the same as the other Fortnite characters. And then 2 loops. All right, so let's finish back up here. Her collar, gonna give that line some thickness there. And then we got drawing the belt here. So we're gonna start here, curve down and just kind of go out. Okay, so we're gonna give it some curve, so curve and then go out. And then for the chest area, we're gonna continue this curve and we're just gonna go in. Okay, so continue the curve and just kind of go in. And then let's see, just got a little bit of the bottom of the shirt here. I'm just gonna add in these little lines because it's kind of ripped. All right, and then there's gonna be some detail here, just from the collar, just kind of go out. All right, and we're drawing the graphics later. Let's draw in her arms first. So here's the armpit going out, shoulder coming down, and then here's the bicep. Start on the armpit, just a slight bracket, just a little bit of curve. Lower arm, just flare out and then pinch it back in past the belt. Close it. And then we're gonna add 1 section for the wrist on the glove. And then for the fist, slant down and just kind of hook it. And then here's the back of the fist. And just curve it, connect that. And just some minor detail on the glove here, just kind of draw a little angle like that. All right, so let's draw in the other side. Oh, I almost forgot. She's got 1 little detail here. All right, so that one's easy. All right, other side, here's the armpit. Shoulder coming down. And then again, start in the armpit area. Slight bracket. Flare out lower arm. And then just kind of pinch it back in about the same area here. Close it off. And then again, one section for the glove. And then same thing here, slant in, just kind of hook it. Back of the fist, turn, close it. And then same detail here. And a little bit more detail on this one. Here's the glove. Here's a little panel. And then it's got one strap here. And then one line here for this, I guess the sleeve. Alright, and okay, yeah, let's finish the graphics inside. So it's a little bit small, so we're not going to draw in too much of detail here. So in here, just draw in, this is going to be the head, and here's the neck. Okay, and then here's the horn. And then we go back for the wings, so just come up, go back, and then we're gonna zigzag it back in. Okay, and then we're gonna come down. That's her leg, one of her leg. Come back, another leg. And then lastly, we're just gonna hook in the tail and just give it a little bit of thickness there. And I think we'll leave it at that because it's getting a little bit too small. But we could draw some of the mountains here. So we're just gonna zigzag. It's got behind this little, I guess, evil unicorn. Just draw a little zigzag line. So that's gonna be the mountain range. All right, so let's move on down to her legs. So in the middle, come down, make a little mark. On the corners here, I'm just gonna slant it upwards. And now I'm gonna continue this curve. Go out a little bit more. From the inside, start on the corner here. Curve it, close, and then here's the knee pad. So this is gonna be a square. And then on the inside, rectangle. And then on the corner, just kind of connect those. Okay, let's draw on the other side first before we move down further. So again, continuing this curve. Inside here. And she's got no padding here, so we're just gonna draw the knee. It's gonna be a slight bracket. And then we're gonna continue this, just kind of flare out and just close it off, and that's gonna be the start of her boot. All right, so let's go back to this leg. So we're gonna flare this out, pinch it in, close it, and then for shoes, curve out more on this side, close it, and then we'll extend it for the tracks. It's nice and thick. Just kind of slant it down, close it. And then for the details, I'm just going to add in two little rectangles and squares. All right, and we're drawing the details later, but let's work on this side first. So we're going to continue this. We're just going to pinch it in, pretty much the same as the other side. So use the other side for reference. So we don't have one leg too long or longer than the other. Same thing on the shoe, come down, and then on this side, come out more. Close it. I'm going to extend it slightly. Same thing here, slant down, close it, and then same detail. Okay, and then since we're here, let's just finish the shoelace here. So this one, just gonna draw like a little loop like this, two loops, and then for the laces coming down, just gonna draw. So just drawing these zigzags. Just gonna draw that. I'll keep it simple. And then once you have this, start on this side and just kind of go across it. All right, and then on the other side, let's see, she's got 2 straps here, so I'm gonna be 1, 2. And then for the armor here, I'm just gonna continue this line all the way down behind the straps. And then lastly, some details in here. She's gonna have 2 straps here, 1 and 2. And then for the details on her pants, so in the middle here, draw 1 line across like this, right in the middle, and then we're gonna come down. And then once you reach here, just kind of slant it out. So same thing here, gonna come down, and it's gonna be behind the straps. And then once you come down here, just kind of slant it out. And then lastly, a little bit more detail up here. Just kind of come down and go out. So come down and out. And that is it for this dark bomber skin in Fortnite. Hope you guys liked the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.